This is assignment 2 of the Digital Inclusion Level System Computer and Windows Basics section. So let's go ahead and log in, just as we learned before. In this lesson, assignment 2, we're going to learn to use the Start menu to find programs and documents. So first of all, place your mouse over the Start menu button in the lower left corner of the screen. Click Start, and then you'll see All Programs. So place your mouse over All Programs. It has a green arrow next to it. Then a whole list of programs will appear. Then to select a program, you move your mouse over it so the word and icon are highlighted. Let's practice choosing a program. The computer games are listed as programs, so click on Start. Put your mouse over All Programs, and then put your mouse over the folder called Games. Then click on Minesweeper. So here, watch what I do. I click on Start, go to All Programs, then I move my mouse up to highlight Games. And then I move my mouse over to Minesweeper, and I click it once, and I've started the program. See it right here? So that's how you use the Start menu to find a program. Once we're done with Minesweeper, let's just close it now. So click on the red X in the box. Let's use the Start menu to find documents. So we go to Start, and we click on this folder up here called My Documents. Now you'll notice that our My Documents folder has a folder for each member. Now these folders have to be created by each member, which I'll show you how to do later. This My Documents folder is on every single computer in the lab. Basically it's done through the internet, so if you save something to a folder in the My Documents folder, you will be able to find it on any computer in the lab. Now while we have this window open, this My Documents folder window open, we'll learn a few tricks about windows. Windows can be made big, where they can take up the whole computer screen like this, or they could be made smaller, where they only take up part of the screen like this. Now the way you do that, the way you resize windows, is by using these buttons in the top right corner of the window. There's one that is a minus, there's one that's a square, and then the red X. Now to minimize the window, that means to take it down to where it just appears in the taskbar, you click the minus button and see how it moves down to the taskbar. That shrinks it. Now you can bring it back to the size it was by clicking on it in the taskbar, and it comes back up again. Now the way you maximize this window to where it takes up the whole computer screen, you click this button, the middle button, which has the square. You click it once and it maximizes it to the entire screen. When this window is maximized, you can see that this center button becomes 2 squares, which means it is now the Restore button, which means you can click on the Restore button and it goes back to the size it was before. There's another way of restoring a window to its first size and maximizing it. This blue part up at the top of the window, you click it twice and it maximizes the window. If I click it again, it restores it to its original size. So you can either use the maximize button and the restore button, or you can simply double click the blue bar at the top of the window. This red X, of course, is our close button, so I can click that once to simply close the window.